Welcome to Simple Daily English. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our channel. My name is Lily. I am very happy to see you here today. We are starting a new journey to learn English together.
Hi, Lily. Hi, everyone. My name is Max. It is a pleasure to meet you all.
Max. Today we are talking about self-introductions. This is very important for beginners. When you meet a new person, you need to say who you are.
That's right. It is the first step in any conversation. So, Lily, let's show our friends how to do it. I will ask you some questions, and you can answer.
Okay, I am ready. Let's start with the basics.
What is your full name?
My full name is Lily Miller. Most people just call me Lily.
And how old are you, Lily?
I am 25 years old. And you, Max?
I am 28 years old. Where are you from?
I am from London, in the United Kingdom. It is a very big and busy city. Where are you from, Max?
I am from Toronto, Canada. It is also a very big city, and it is very cold in the winter.
I can imagine. Max, what is your job? What do you do?
I am a graphic designer. I work on a computer and create pictures and logos. What about you?
I am an English teacher. I love helping people learn new words and speak better.
That is a great job. Lily, where do you live now?
I live in a small apartment in Manchester. It is near a beautiful park.
I live in a house with a small garden. I love plants. Do you have any hobbies, Lily?
Yes, I have many hobbies. I love reading books, especially stories about mystery. I also like photography. I take many photos of flowers and birds.
That is cool. My hobbies are playing the guitar and cooking. I love making dinner for my friends.
Cooking is a great hobby. What is your favorite food?
I love Italian food, especially pasta. And you?
My favorite food is sushi. I love Japanese cuisine.
Lily, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one younger brother. His name is Sam. He is a student at university. Do you have a big family?
No, I have a small family. I am an only child, so I don't have any brothers or sisters, but I have a dog.
Oh, I love dogs. What is your dog's name?
His name is Buddy. He is very friendly and he has brown fur.
He sounds lovely. Max, why are you learning English? Well, you already speak it, but why is English important?
English is important because it helps people from different countries talk to each other. It is the language of the world.
I agree. It opens many doors for travel and work. Speaking of travel, what is your favorite place?
My favorite place is the mountains. I love the fresh air and the silence. What about you?
I love the beach. I like the sound of the ocean and the warm sand.
Lily, let's review the questions we used for a self-introduction.
Good idea. Here is a list of the most common questions.
These are perfect for beginners. Friends, you can practice by answering these questions out loud.
Yes. For example, say, my name is, I am from, I like.
It is also important to say, "Nice to meet you" at the end of an introduction.
Exactly. It shows that you are polite and friendly. Max, it was very nice to meet you today.
It was nice to meet you too, Lily, even though we are friends.
We should ask our friends to introduce themselves in the comments.
Yes. Friends, please write a short introduction about yourself.
Tell us your name, your country, and your favorite hobby.
We want to know our students. We want to grow together as a big family.
Every comment is a chance to practice your English writing.
Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn.
That's right. Even if you only write one sentence, it is a great start.
If you liked our self-introduction video, please click the like button.
And subscribe for more daily conversations with us.
We have many topics coming soon. We will talk about family, clothes, weather, and more.
Learning English is like a long walk. You just need to take one step every day.
And we are here to walk with you.
Thank you for watching and listening to our introduction.
You are doing a fantastic job. Keep practicing.
See you in the next lesson.
Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.